Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I just want to carry on our discussion about it, Axiom Pro and also ATM.DAY. I'm still thinking that this is one of the best combos out there at the moment. On top of that, I just want to introduce you to a couple of more tools which I found just recently, okay? And there is another way you can actually make some money, okay, with those two, like ATM.DAY Axioms plus those other tools which I'm going to show you in a minute. Before we move on, just to make sure that you understand, this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, only educational and entertaining purposes. Everything here is very, very risky. Like seriously, you can lose money in a second if you just app in without checking out, and even if you check out, everything, and you were like, okay, this is a great coin, you jump in and suddenly everything goes to zero. Okay, so bear in mind, it's a higher risk, this stuff, right? So guys, okay, so let me see. Okay, so now Axiom Pro, right? ATM.DAY, right? So ATM.DAY is absolutely fantastic. Okay, let me go and check that one here. All right, so although I think I already checked this one. Let me see. Yeah, I already checked this one. So basically, okay, they call this tool, right? And they say that this tool has like 94% chances of just going up, right? And they call it 17 minutes ago, okay? And because out of their algorithm, about 8 wallets aped in, right? Tokens about 1 million, volume 284, right? So now my question is, how is this possible when there's no buys or sells and no volume on this one, okay? This particular coin has a 4 months, okay, so it's 4 months on the market. All right, there's still like about 200 pro traders in it, 1,337 holders, right? But there's nothing's happening here, right? So, but the thing is that suddenly the tool discover it and say like, okay, that might be a good coin to just ape in, right? So what I'm doing right now, I'm not buying this coin, no, not at all, right? So I'm not saying like I'm going to buy this one, okay? But already what I can see here, okay, on this 15 seconds chart, I can see there's some movement here, okay? So even like, let's say between it's just about, within the day, okay, within the day, right, you guys see, okay, that there is some money to be made here, right? So basically, look at this here, okay, make it 20%, right? But there was no volume here, right? So I'm just saying, like, it's not recommended for you guys to go and jump in on every coin the ATM.DAY is actually showing you. However, might be some logic behind it, okay? Because they actually discovered, and remember, the ATM.DAY guys, they have this tool, they created this algorithm where they chasing 20,000 profitable wallets, right? So, and those profitable wallets plus other 30 metrics, okay? They have another 30 metrics, okay? They put down those informations together, and they are coming up with those tokens which they scoring, okay, and that's future pump expectation, FPE, okay, well, that's what it's called, right? And according to their algorithm, this particular coin has a 94% chance of pumping up, okay? So by like 94%, it's like for sure it's gonna pump up, right? Now, my question is how much. Nobody's telling you here, right? But nobody's really expecting that from the ATM.DAY. The ATM.DAY is just an additional tool as a additional filter, okay? You have to pay for it. It's not free, but if you know how to do it, if you know how to move those, how to read those numbers, how to read charts, you can definitely make your money back within a couple of trades if you know how to do it, okay? So far, most of those trades, if not all of them, were pumping for me, okay? I'm not saying that I made money on all of them, and no, I didn't, okay? Mostly because my entry wasn't good enough. Okay, I should buy or I should sell it, quicker, okay? But no. Like all those coins were pumping on some stage, right? So it is a good tool, okay? It is a good tool. But now, for example, with this one, okay, I really look, it like right now, right in the minute, right? We are talking here, and look, 1,480k, like 2k. Suddenly, somebody actually invests 2k in it, right? It was one buy, All right. And my question is like if I wouldn't be yapping around here, just talking, into the microphone, and I would only buy this one, I'll make 10%, right? And how would you recommend this type of stuff if you don't have some sort of significant knowledge behind the scenes or algorithm who will suggest that for you? Okay, you know what I mean? Like, look, guys, right in front of your eyes. Okay, this coin was nearly nowhere. Like, there's no volume here. Okay, it's 4 months old. People are not really buying here, right? But suddenly there was one buy just a minute ago, and you can easily make 10%. Right, that's amazing. And how would I discover this tool, this particular coin without the ATM.DAY? Probably I wouldn't. Okay, so that's what I'm saying. Like, look, guys, mostly, like, if not 99%, at least 95% of those coins, they are recommended, they are pumping. Okay, on some stage. Okay, up to you is to decide if you want to buy in, and if so, on what point, and so on and so forth. Right, so it's really up to yourself. But the point is here that, look, how would you actually come across the idea of buying this coin? I wouldn't. Like, seriously, I wouldn't. Like, 4 months old, no zero, those zeros. Like, a few minutes ago, there was everywhere were zeros, right? So, like, seriously, like, who would buy this? And suddenly, boom, you can make a 10%. Okay, so bear in mind, guys, ATM.DAY, really good stuff, right? The other thing is, which I want to introduce you guys, is one of those things which now they are very, like they are. You can make money out of that. That's for sure. Okay, and they are not new. They are gaining much more popularity those days, I suppose. They call it, you're creating the pools basically. Okay, so what I mean by creating the pools, right? So, for example, if you go into the Axiom, right? And you can go and check some new creations, right? So let's say there are some new creations here, okay? And you can go and check, for example, if you go to this particular coin, right? Okay, so let's go and just jump in and copy that address, okay? So once we copy that address, and I want to paste that address here, right? There's no LP pool created for this particular coin yet, right? So what you can do, okay, you can go to the places like Meteora, for example, okay, or like you can go to Orca, you can go to Meteora, you can go to Radium, and you can create that liquidity pool for this particular coin, right? And the thing is that those can be really profitable if you know how to do it. If you spot the right time to actually create that pool, okay, there's enough volume. There is enough volume for this one, okay. For example, here we got there's no volume here whatsoever. But let's go again. Let's go to ATM.DAY, right? And let's pick one of those coins which they recommended, or maybe you know what? Let's go and check them out on their Telegram bot. Okay, remember I had a Telegram bot here, also provided by ATM.DAY, and they actually can give you the pretty nice coins. Not all of them, obviously, they will go to the moon, but the thing is that some of them, they are pretty good findings. Okay, but look, for example, this one here, those two pulls, right? So this one was created on Pamphon, okay, and right after, okay, somebody created that on Meteora, right? All right, so that's what's happening, okay. And if somebody will buy this coin through their pool, okay, they're gonna be earning the fees, right? And those fees can vary. All right, so let me have a look here if I can go to check this one particular. Okay, let's go and copy this one. All right, let's go to Meteora. And let's paste it in and see if there is anything. Maybe we will be able to find out this pool. Okay, this pool cannot be found here. Okay, that's probably on the DM. Yes, then it's a version 2. Okay, so this is the pool, right? So now let's go and see it. Okay, there's total value of $49 in it, right? They charge in a base fee of 6%, right? So every time somebody is buying, they buy the 6% minimum fee charged on each trade. But each trade, remember, guys, okay? Somebody is buying, $100 $100 worth of this coin, okay? using the Sol, okay, if they buy through that pool, they will be paying at least $6 as a fee, right? And that fee will go it will be split between Meteora and yourself. Like if you are pool creation, okay, it depends how much of this. If you created the pool from scratch, okay, the most of the fees are going to yourself. If you are participating in already open pool, okay, you get obviously a percentage of those fees. Depends on the percentage of the holdings inside that pool, right? So there we go. So that's what they actually protocol fee. Okay, it goes to protocol liquidity provider fee. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, so basically somebody create that coin, right? Right after, a minute after, somebody create that pool for it, right? And if the people will be buying that coin, let's say how's that coin going, right? So there is a volume here, all right, $26,000 volume, okay, 366 buys, sales, okay. It's not about if this coin will go up or will go down, or how high this coin will go. The whole purpose of this pool creation is for volume, okay. So the longer this coin will stay and there will be people buying and selling, okay, basically there will be a volume coming through that through this coin, okay. Each transaction will cost you money in fees, okay. So every time when you buy, you're selling, you're paying the fee, okay. But if those fees will go inside the pool, which was creating, alongside with the original coin, okay, those fees will be added up here, right? So remember guys, this is one of the other options which you can go and you can start creating those pools, okay. And I think ATM.DAY is a really, really good tool to go and start doing that, okay. And the reason behind it is because they're actually coming up with very profitable tools, coins, right? If you know when to enter it, for example, let's see this one here, okay? Is there any pool here, right? Look, coin was created 11 minutes ago. Right after, 3 other pools were created, right? On this third one, there is nothing there, right? But anyway, okay? 3 other pools were created within the matter of a few minutes, right? And all of those pools potentially have a good chance of making money, right? If there is a volume there, right? You got a volume of 21K, 51.7 buys, and so on and so forth, right? The point is, look at this coin, okay? We just came in and look how, like, seriously. I should stop talking, and just start aping in. Like, look. Right in front of your eyes, guys. I'm talking about a couple of coins, and we already could make a 10% of the other one, which was not active for 4 months. There was nothing there, no buys, no sells. Suddenly 10%, you can make it just like that. And this one here, right in front of your eyes, I could make it 25%. Seriously. Like, no, this tool, I think this is an amazing tool. Look, 94% chance of popping. Of bumping, and here we go. Like, seriously, I cannot see the other tool out there on the market which could actually give you so much of a good information, right? Again, this is only a filter. It's up to yourself to decide where to buy, when to buy, where to sell, okay? It's not like this ATM.DAY is going to make you money just like that, without you being active on it. No, it gives you a heads up, like, say, like, look, this coin has a good potential of future pump expectation. 94% is nearly like, for sure it's going to pump it. We just came in, and right after we came in, huge candle up. You can make it like 25% between this and that point. And me, instead of saying, talking, I should just go and buy it, and I could make easily 20 to 25%. But I'm not doing that way. I rather to go and do some additional due diligence, which I highly encourage you guys also to do it. Okay, do not just ape in just like that, because ATM.DAY just say that it's going to be pumping. It's definitely recommended to do some additional due diligence and then make your decision. But look, guys, like I told you, within the minute of 15 minutes, we'll get a great 2 coins, right? So, but coming back to the topic of LPing, right? So, if this volume will hold, okay, and the people will be start buying and selling, look, this is going up. Like, seriously, like, look at this. No, that's. Who knows? Maybe I should still go ahead and buy something on it. Oh, I don't know. I don't like to buy on the tops. No, I rather skip this one. But still, I think it's a great call by the ATM.DAY algorithm. I think it's a great call. You can easily make a 25% here. Yeah, so guys, I'll probably will be staying here and doing some additional research following the information found on ATM.DAY, both on their Telegram and on their website. Okay. But as I said, like in this video, I just want to give you additional information on how we can actually utilize the information found on ATM.DAY and create some LP pools. If you're interested in more details, I can show you how to do it, okay? This tool, this LP agent, I only started using it today. I'm not really actually using it. I'm just trying to grasp my idea what it can be done with it, okay? But I will be leaving the link into it anyway, okay? So you can go and check it out yourself, okay? Basically, they will be looking for some basic, opportunities, okay? Probably more like smart LP and copy LP. You can copy the profitable LP wallet addresses, okay? Wallet addresses which created the LPs, okay? So I think that's something which is for the future videos anyway, okay? I just came across this particular tool maybe 20 minutes before I start recording this video. But I still want to give you some heads up of what is going on here, okay? That this is a tool. It might be a pretty good, like you never know, okay? For example, here, random opportunity, right? They have like a nearly 50% confidence in this particular pair, like Aura, USDC. Yeah, Aura, everyone is talking about the Aura those days, because everyone knows that Aura just make like, I don't know, like 1,000, 10,000%. I don't know how many X's that was, but it's in recent days. But some people were really lucky and make some fortunes out of this Aura. Well, this tool actually is suggesting to create a pool, for Aura USDC. I don't know if that's still it's a good opportunity or not. Might probably have too many pools already, being created for this pair. But anyway, I will be coming back to this tool and check it out, but I just want to test it out first. The other one was obviously you can go to Meteora, all right, and do some your own research when it comes to the pooling. What's available. You can go and create your own pools. I can also show you the other one on the other video on how to create those, where you can go to the pools and dynamic pools, and you can start and create your own pool if you want to do it, right? But the main feature of this video was just ATM.DAY gave me 2 coins in a matter of few minutes, and they were pumping. Like seriously, they were pumping. And let me see, is it still? Yeah, it's still there. Like, look, this one. We start talking about this one. I just look at this. I went into the I copy and paste the address here, and between now and there, 54%. Guys, that's amazing. Oh, seriously. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for watching. Any questions, leave it down below. If you want me to create any additional videos about how to create the pools, how to utilize the ATM.DAY, just leave it down inside the description. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching, and if you can subscribe, it would be much appreciated. Bye now.